All right, this is Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity. I am in the testing kitchen for the recipes that I developed for the new modern Mediterranean diet. And today we just finished to serve a lunch for testing, and I made a Greek salad entree with Mahi Mahi fish fillet broiled on top of it. So we're gonna go ahead and look outside and see how the test went, and then I'll go ahead and get the feedback from the judges. Today we had 2 judges, and this is one of the recipes I developed for the new modern Mediterranean diet. And we'll go ahead and check outside, and then if you're curious today, we're gonna take also a view of my mess that I left in the kitchen in the second part. So let's go ahead and go outside together, see what we find. We're in Florida, the month of October. It's a beautiful place. The sun comes and goes today, and let's get a tray because it might as well. I'm gonna get your help to clean up. We're gonna do this together so you see what I actually do. So this is the place where I serve for the testing for lunch when it's nice weather. We are facing the water in a beautiful place on the Gulf of Mexico, or Mexican Gulf. As you can hear, English is not my first language. I'm from Italy. I've been traveling around the world cooking for a long time, and somehow I haven't picked up English the same way I expected, but I understand myself. I hope you understand me, and I'll try to speak a little slow. But this is the Mexican Gulf. Let me zoom. It's a beautiful place. Colors of the water change. I like this location because I stay more in touch with nature, and I find inspiration to write these beautiful recipes for the new modern Mediterranean diet. That's basically, it's the international Mediterranean diet for people like me that travel around the world, and people they are around the world that they want to eat the same way of the people that they live a long life around the Mediterranean area, Italy, Croatia, south of France, Albania, Spain, and so on. But let's go back. I like to talk a lot, sorry. Let's go back to the test. Let's see what's left. So, as you can see, this is a one entree. It's a big salad. One entree that has all the vegetables and the proteins and the fat for one meal. So this is great for lunch because it's fast. You can take it with you even at work. And you can eat also cold with some variation that you'll find on the recipes. And it's quick lunch to eat and also to prepare. So it looks like one judge finished the whole thing. I had some dipping sauce over here for the ciabatta bread. Ciabatta bread, and I serve 4 slices. There is just I think they call it the butt in English, the end left. And then one of the judges wanted a slice of apple pie that I have made last night for dinner, and they heard about it, and we'll talk about it in the section of the dessert. Usually I serve fruit, but this is an exception. Then the other judge, almost done. It was a big salad. I offer a topping as upgrade of feta cheese. This upgrade is available for the modifiers for the meal plan of 2,500 calories. that we are going to look into in the future when we talk about different kind of plans. So we're gonna have 1500, 2000, 2500 plan available. All the recipes are the same. There are some add-on that helps you to customize to your calorie requirements for the day. So let's go ahead and clean up. Actually, I will clean up myself later. I just wanted to share with you. And for the people that are curious, let's go and see what's going on in the kitchen. For the people that are busy, thank you for watching me, and we'll just go ahead with a few others. So let's go back very quick, and we'll go in detail and see my mess after cooking all this. Sorry about my mess, but that's how it is. So it took me about 1 hour to prepare this lunch. And I cooked the fish over here in the oven. This is the area where I cut my ciabatta bread. Some of the tools for me to communicate with you. Skillet, that's where I cook the fish. Thermometer. Let's go over the name. We cannot do promotion of products right now, but thermometer is very important. Over here, little tools to take pictures without shade. So this is what I used to cook the fish. This is half of the ciabatta bread left. This is a salt and pepper mix that I created the recipe for the Heart Association for 6 months. So this is under testing too. Will be available on the section of the Chef Here recipes. This is what I wanted to show you. This is the old recipe. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and today was testing number 5. So these recipes, they're not just good, they also work. In order to make them work, it takes a lot of work from me, but you don't have to do that. I do this for you. So this is final testing. Every time I make notes, I talk to the judges, and we try to find the best taste for to be in compliance with the Mediterranean diet guidelines. And today is final, so I'll go ahead and check with them. Let's see what my mess is. Whoa. So when I come and buy every day the ingredients. I use some grape tomatoes. I used lettuce mix. I got some iceberg, romaine over here, celery, radish, lemon for the citronette, some basil for the citronette dressing. This is the bowl where I mix the salad. The scale, this is what you're going to be learning to use to create the recipes that I write for you. Olives, what else I got? You see I washed the lettuce. One great tool is a salad spinner. I'm gonna have a list of what you need to buy. Very affordable to do what I do, and very easy because I do the testing. So your recipe comes that it's approved, and you'll just shop. It comes with a shopping list. You just follow the direction. It comes with nutrition facts. It comes with some suggestions for health-wise while you're eating a certain recipe. Suggestion from the chef. Modifier for the plans. 1500, 2000, 2500. Again, we're going to talk about that in the future. What else? 9 steps. This is the basic recipe. For the members in the future, you're going to get all the steps. Sometimes are 40, 50. We have a video. but that is in the future when we open to membership. This is the pie I made last night. So the judge wanted to have a piece. It's very important to cook fresh, some coffee, and then let's see what else. Here I stole this from my son that goes to elementary school. Batman, I have all my tools for the videos. This is the book with the final recipe. So this is what I wrote today, finalized, and then I'm going to show the judges and see if they approve it. This is from last night. So this is all the stack of recipes.